Yeah.
That's right. There you go.
Come on. Catch up. Catch up. Come on.
How do I stop it?
He's just trying to push it.
Good boy.
Come on. Move the foot.
Good
There
boy.
you go.
That's it.
You got up too far.
Honey, he's pushing it. It's not like I'm letting it go. He's pushing it with everything he's got. Oh.
Oh.
Ooh, mad baby.
You get it. You better get it. You better make it do the way you want it to. They'll help him out. Well, he can do it that way for a while, and then I guess he'll get the feel of getting up